Hello, and welcome to our instructional video on simplifying integer exponent problems. In this video, we will be focusing on the problem 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 3. By the end of this video, you will be able to confidently simplify this expression. So, let's dive in and start solving this problem step by step. Step 1 to simplifying the problem: 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 3. Firstly, we need to understand what 2 raised to the power of 3 means. Raising a number to an exponent is the same as multiplying that number by itself as many times as the exponent indicates. So 2 raised to the power of 3 is the same as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which equals 8. By understanding this, we can rewrite the expression 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 3 as 8 plus 8. To summarize, we have simplified 2 raised to the power of 3 as 8. Now we rewrite the entire expression as 8 plus 8. So the expression changes from 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 3 to 8 plus 8. The next step will be to add these two numbers together. But remember, the main goal of step 1 is recognizing that 2 raised to the power of 3 equals 8 and rewriting the expression accordingly. To repeat, after step 1, our expression is now 8 plus 8. Step 2 to simplifying the problem: 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 3. In step 1, we improved our understanding of what raising a number to a power means. We simplified the expression 2 raised to the power of 3 into 8. After that, the entire original expression changed from 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 3 into 8 plus 8. In step 2, our task is to add these two numbers together. 8 plus 8 equals 16. This addition step completes our problem-solving task. We started with 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 3 and ended up with 16. Therefore, the simplified result of 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 3 is 16. To ensure clarity, remember our goal was to change the original problem into a simpler form and then solve it correctly. By adding those numbers, our final simplified answer is 16. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.